Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Safari to the latest version on your iPhone or iPads. If you want to update or make sure that you've updated Safari application and get the latest security patches, performance improvements, and new features, then here is how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, the next step is to back up your device. Use iCloud or iTunes or Finder to back up your iPhone or iPad before updating in case you need to restore your data. Now, open up the Settings app from your home screen. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, look for Software Update. On the next page, if there is an update available, it will be shown on the screen. If you have an update to be completed, you will be able to see the update button. If you already have the updated version of your software, then it will not show you any updates, but it will show you a level that says iOS is up to date. Once you have updated your iOS, you can now get back, and that way you will be able to update your Safari application as well. Once the update is complete for your iOS operating system, Safari will also automatically be updated to the latest version that comes with your iOS or iPads. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.